And welcome to our bonus features. We'll be talking about the most likely places for GPS errors. To start things out with the total electron content forecast. Shout out to all of our GPS users out there. Your handset has to communicate through a lot of electrons. Sometimes there are the most likely spots for errors. Let's blast through some more data and show more imagery of the sun for bonus features. So there's the old diagram of the GPS satellites and Van Allen belts and altitudes and so on. We do see some charging hazards here over Mexico. We're coming at you a little earlier today. Here's the one-year chart of the electron flux from Solon.info. Just at moderate levels at the moment here. No warning levels and no ultra-cratered electron flux. I think we're going to see pretty low electron flux here. I think we'll see it a little bit lower than this forecast model as we're seeing a continuing coronal hole wind stream, and I'm expecting this to continue. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, check those out, covering more in-depth space weather data. We'll also show the ionogram, the F layer located at about 300 kilometers of altitude. Here is the F layer. Don't be effed. View our videos that show you the F layer and where anomalies are located and so on. Don't be effed. Check out the F layer. So here's the anomalygram showing anomaly in megahertz from the 30-day median. And we're seeing, like yesterday, mostly high-frequency anomalies here in the southern hemisphere, as well as some swings over the Central African continent. Does that tell us something about the internal structures of the planet? Let us know in the comments what you think. Let us know what you think about the internal structure of the planet. What's going on deep beneath the surface? Did you know mankind has only drilled to about, I think, 16 kilometers or something like that? Anyway, here's the latest. That's 9:15 universal time on the ionogram. There's 9:15 on the anomalygram. And you can see mostly high-frequency anomalies at the moment. Don't forget to visit our homepage and our links below the video. Welcome to the Neo-Renaissance. Smashamash.com. You can find links to our merch shop there, as well as to the Smash team. And did you know about the next chapter? Yeah. Smashamash.com/SmashTeam. We replaced Patreon with a superior website, so check it out. Check out our meteorology segments if you haven't. They've been, shall we say, rather accurate. And our next bonus feature is from Learmonth, Australia. It's the ground-based solar observatory. Check it out. Some flaring going on as we make the video. A bunch of filaments around the Earth-facing zone of the sun. You can see filaments all around here. Two opposite polarity coronal holes facing the Earth. So lots of stuff going on, folks. So let's continue on, as there are additional bonus features. The intensitygram in high res and the colorized magnetogram. We just show you the refresh so you know that you're seeing the most recent data that we could possibly show you. There's 2936. It's got a beta class sunspot trailing it. It's pretty small. 2936 is pretty huge. We've got other beta class sunspots up here. Those could produce flares. This is alpha class, but this one up here is beta class. And of course you can see a triangle shape there, and everybody knows to be frightened of that because triangles are very scary. All shapes are scary in space, folks. Or according to some people on YouTube. So here are the fields. I've got a bit of a blurry image here. It is the highest res we can muster. But there's 2936, and it is quite spectacular indeed. Make sure you watch our solar features segment. We have all kinds of close-ups of it. It's good times. We'll close things out with some more animated views. The GOES 16 SUVi, which should show a C-class flare. Although the sun is largely operating at a C-class background anyway. Some fusion there. Looks like helium occurring perhaps at the surface of the sun. A little bit of nuclear fusion happening there before your very eyes. Those white-colored areas are high amounts of ionized helium. Here's high amounts of ionized iron, 193 angstroms. And I do believe we've got one more. Feast your eyes on this. 211 plus 171 angstroms. That's our featured bonus segment of the day. And again, for you new viewers out there, we've actually released 2 previous space weather videos today already, and a meteorology segment which premiered before them. Check them out. Thanks for tuning in. May that solar wind be at your back.